Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're gonna cook a tasty dish called Kotlet. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos as soon as they are uploaded. Ingredients: potatoes 350 grams, minced meat 250 grams, salt, black pepper and turmeric as you need, onion powder 1 tablespoon, egg 1, breadcrumbs as you need. To start, put a small pot of water on the stove and let it boil. Add about 200 grams of potatoes to the boiling water and let it cook. Meanwhile, peel the rest of the potatoes, about 150 grams, and grate finely. Now, squeeze grated potato well to take all its juice and put it in another bowl. Add minced meat to grated potatoes. Then, peel cooked potatoes as well and grate them finely. Add onion powder and other spices to the bowl. Turmeric, salt, and black pepper. Now start kneading the ingredients. This stage is very important, so do it patiently. Knead all the ingredients well so that they stick together completely. Now add the egg and knead well again. If the mixture is too soft because of kneading too much, don't worry. You can add a little breadcrumbs and knead again. Then cover the bowl and let the ingredients rest for about an hour in the fridge. It's time to fry the kotlets. Take some of the ingredients and make a ball. Then shape it to the form of a teardrop or an oval. Then roll it in breadcrumbs so that it is covered completely by breadcrumbs and put them in a plate. Do it for rest of the ingredients. Now put a pan on the stove, add some oil to it, and when it is hot, put the kotlets one by one in the pan and wait till one side of them completely fries. When the edges of the kotlets are fried, it's time to turn them over to fry the other side as well. Take a plate and put a sheet of oil-absorbing pad or a sheet of Kleenex in it. When the kotlets are fried, put them on the plate to take out their extra oil. Our kotlets are ready to serve. Bon appétit! Dear friends, this was today's kotlet. I hope you cook this delicious recipe and enjoy eating it with fresh bread. Don't forget to follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Till another recipe, goodbye!